ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan post MA bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course ye ke Jingdih bakambanya kol hakini ke number harum. Ka office jong district mental and health program jong ka Southwest Khasi Hills district ringkat ka jing trelang ba office district school education officer Southwest Khasi Hills district but ka adolescents friendly health clinic Southwest Khasi Hills district lama ki lightly ki school hakar potre ku jemang ala jar pusau kila penlong ye ka jing rally ban rakhe ya ka world mental month halo ka phang ending the stigma towards mental health and mental health disorders ha Southwest Khasi Hills district. Ya kini karali las dang nalat civil hospital Mawkyrwat, balapan kut apalau jangka Maharam Government Higher Secondary School Mawkyrwat, hakabalay simbenta reki Khynnah school kino hikai kino tre jangka Office of District Mental and Health Program, baka Office of District School Education Officer bat kiwe. Hakani sngi la jengkran doba DG nong siet, beliau in charge jangka District School Education Officer Southwest Khasi Hills District, uba S Kharbateng, beliau Sub Inspector of School, kakong Alsi Lingkhoy, kepada ke Clinical Psychologist jangka Office District Mental and Health Program bat kiwe. Hading kani la sampat siya ki kusnam si school kepada job hakani kop thos slogan.
Penong ye gani kecing ya ralilang jongi ki Khynnah school nang ki school bajan nang ni ban kenmau ye gani kasi ba prau ba mengikum ki school ngini ban kenmau ba kamdei ban don kenu kecing ya di ya tit secret apo school kecing di secret apo school nang ta nagliang jongka health department rukla kerpat yangi ki school provide bangine don bentalang hagani kasi ban rakhe ye gani ka sni jongani ka mental health.